It's sweeps week or month or however that works, and our media is posting a lot of articles about professional cuddling like they did for me, I don't know, a couple of years ago when I was doing this as well. And so out of all of that surfaces a lot of questions about this work, and I got a message from someone this morning. There you go. I'd love to read it to you, so here it goes. I'm thinking of becoming a certified cuddlist myself. I see you were one, so I was hoping you would tell me if it's more of a struggle with people being perverted or weird in that way. That is my only holdback. I've heard pay-wise it can be very beneficial. All right, so perverted and weird. You know what my response was? Just because okay, I'm gonna really show myself right now. I do kind of want to fuck with people a little bit. There's a lot of misconceptions, and I said there's no such thing as a perverted or weird person. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. There's no such thing as a perverted or weird person. We're all human. We all have our things that make us unique, our interests, our desires, and honestly, if we could truly be honest, a lot of us have a lot of very interesting things about us, and those are the things that I want to know. I want to know about you. I want to know what makes you tick. I want to know what's in your mind. I want you to be honest with me and open so that we can really connect, do the work of that. I think, yeah, pro-cuddling is about platonic touch, but there's so much more that's happening there. There's a deep connection that's possible with two people, where that person can show up fully as they are and be seen and loved. And then I have the honor of seeing that person. For many people, it's the first time they've ever showed themselves. So there's absolutely no perverted or weird person. There's people that want to be seen and loved and want to know that their interests and their desires and all of that are completely normal. And you know what? They are. They actually are. I've never met anybody that was like, whoa, wait, now you're different than the rest. It's not true. We all have lots to us. So yes, I do get requests about the work, and it's often about I don't want to be around creepy people. I don't want to have anybody that's gross or smelly or all these things. And what I would love for people to do is reflect on, wow, tell me about how you see people. Tell me how, usually men, tell me about your views on men. Tell me your stories around what you've had in the past. Tell me about your biases and your, how you discriminate, and all the ways in which we have prejudices. I mean, this is part of our problem in society is we think black men are like this, and Asian men are like this, and then white guys are like this. Well, I do have issues with white guys sometimes. As a systemic thing, those of you who follow me, yes, systemically, whiteness has an issue, but there's a lot of stereotypes, and even the ways in which maybe politically or my views socially, I'm pretty open about those. When it comes to sessions, it doesn't really matter who walks through that door. They are their own person. They stand alone. They are someone worthy of getting to know and worthy to inviting them to show me themselves as much as they want to. I had a client who showed up and gave me a name, and with so much shame and fear, they told me later, that's not my real name. And they were just so afraid that I would reject them. And I'm like, why would I reject you? Great. Thank you. You gave me another name. It doesn't really matter, because what I want you to do is show up as you. And if you right now are that person, if you want to be Bill today, great, then you're Bill. And if tomorrow you want to be Bob, fantastic, let's be Bob. I want you to show me you. That is the greatest thing that you can do for yourself and for me. And you show me only what you want to show me, and you don't have to show me everything. And again, that's what makes it amazing. So, perverted and weird people, come. Just kidding. If you consider yourself perverted and weird, you have a place here. At least with me, you do. If you think that people labeled you perverted and weird, I'm sorry, truly. And come, because there is a place here. All right, I love you all.